Hi, we're the Cougar Strong Racing 999 team from Lone Cane Middle School in LaGrange, Georgia.
Welcome to our team presentation video for the GreenpowerUSA National Championship at Talladega Superspeedway.
Now let's meet the team.
Hi, my name is Hope and I'm the marketing manager. My job is to promote the team through advertisements and social media.
Hey, I'm Gracie.
And I'm Anaya.
And we are the data managers. We time pit stops and lap times, and we record the battery voltage before and after the car is driven.
We record gear ratios and take notes on all the important things that happened at race events so we can improve next time.
Hi, I'm Hayden, and I'm the pit manager.
Hi, I'm Hunter, and I'm the assistant pit manager.
We make sure that the pits stay organized and clean so that the pit crew can do their job at races.
I'm Parker.
I'm Nathan.
And I'm Wiley, and we're drivers for the Cougar Strong Racing 999 team.
As drivers, our goal is to get as many laps as possible.
But our main goal is to keep the car safe.
My name is Austin Ellison, and I am the 999 pit crew chief.
I'm Brody, and I'm the assistant pit crew chief.
I'm Carson, and I'm on the pit crew.
Our job is to make sure the car is ready to race and our pit stops are as fast as possible.
If any problems come up, we diagnose them, correct them, so we can get back on the track.
Hi, I'm Wyatt Ellington. I'm the GoPro manager and trailer manager. I make sure we have everything we possibly could need for each race. I also swap GoPro batteries between each heats and also swap memory cards between each heat. My job is important because after each race we look at the footage from the GoPros and see what we could have done better.
Hi, I'm Faith. I'm the battery manager. I make sure the batteries are ready at the car before race heats and I get them back on charge in our trailer afterwards. My job is important because without the good batteries, we can't win.
Hi, I'm Lane. I'm the team manager. I oversee the decisions made for the team and ensure all groups within the team are on task. Whether or not things go well during the race, it's my responsibility.
So far this year, we have traveled to 7 different race events. We have been to Inspire Academy 400, F24 Santa Sprints, Oxford Grand Prix, Columbus Grand Prix, Inspire Academy 400, Green Power Splash, and the Diverse Power Grand Prix. Out of the 7 race events that we have been to, we have won first overall at 5 of them. We have traveled over 698 laps and about 350 miles. Also, we have set multiple track records. During the process of building our F24 race car, our team memorized the entire wiring diagram and the functions of each component.
During the build and modification of our car, we developed teamwork skills. The assembly and modification of our F24 takes great communication and creativity. Teamwork has been one of our key factors in our success. If you can work together and stay focused, your team can achieve marvelous results.
We picked out 3 reasons why every school should have a GreenpowerUSA program. First, the excitement of motorsports is the best way to inspire students in STEM topics. Second, you learn life lessons like how to use tools, how to work as a team, and more. And most importantly, there's something for everybody in GreenPower. Students can discover their interests and talents.
There's no better way to inspire students in STEM than the excitement of motorsports. GreenPower is not a typical class or school program. Race day excitement is unparalleled. Designing, building, and racing the kit car brings together all the aspects of STEM in a more meaningful way.
You learn life lessons like how to work as a team, how to use tools correctly, basic electrical skills, preparation for future jobs, how to deal with pressure, and the importance of deadlines.
There is something for everybody in GreenPower. Being part of a team will help you discover your interests and talents. Some jobs include team manager, pit crew chief, data manager, trailer manager, GoPro manager, marketing manager, and more. One problem we had was our battery terminal being loose during a race event. We identified this during a race when the car ran out of battery quickly.
After brainstorming for a solution, we came up with an idea for a pre-race checklist to make sure this would never happen again. Since implementing our solution, this is a situation that's not occurred again.
One communication challenge we have faced this year is the other teams using the same radio channel as our team. This caused confusion with our drivers about when to come in for their pit stop. Our solution was to implement team members identifying themselves before communicating with each other.
By being a team member of a GreenpowerUSA team, you get to experience teamwork by working together to complete presentations, fixing problems on the inside of the track, and discussing decisions for the team.
Being able to communicate is vital in the workforce, and GreenpowerUSA teaches you many communication skills. You work alongside your team members in everything you do.
In GreenpowerUSA, we are no strangers to problems. They occur constantly when assembling our F24, making team presentations, and on race day. The GreenpowerUSA program allows students to find their own ways to solve problems alongside their team members.
GreenpowerUSA races provide many exciting experiences. One experience that you get when racing is the adrenaline rush of climbing places at the last minute. At the Oxford Grand Prix, we were in 4th place in the last lap and jumped to 1st place.
GreenPower has many skills that can carry over to professional racing or any other career. Not only does it improve teamwork skills and problem-solving skills, but it also encourages the use of power tools and mechanical tools. All of these skills can help in professional racing careers like NASCAR and Formula One. Another exciting experience at GreenpowerUSA races are the pit stops. During a pit stop, you attempt to complete several complex tasks in 9 seconds or less. Some of the tasks are more simple than others and can be done in less time. Your endurance race performance can be altered by pit stops.
At the GreenPower races in the future, there should be more socials to improve bonds between teams. There should also be more fun and exciting races like rookie race and even a coach's race. We enjoy racing at new tracks in new places, which makes the races more exciting and spectacular.
Thank you for reviewing our team presentation for the GreenpowerUSA National Finals at Talladega Superspeedway. We invite you to follow us on all our social media platforms, including our website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. We will see you at the finish line.